Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to another video from this channel Accounting with Usman. This video is basically for O-Levels and it is also fruitful for AS. We are going to talk about the books of original entry. So what are the books of original entry? Looking at the definition, it says that where all transactions or the transactions are recorded as they occur. Whenever the transaction has occurred, you're going to record it in the books of original entry primarily, and then they get posted to the ledgers and so forth and so on. So looking at the types, because we have for each of the book we have a different category of a book for each of the transaction. So the first book we have is the sales day book, where all the credit sales are recorded. By credit sales we mean that you have sold something and you have not received the money yet. So you're going to record all those sales for which the money is not received yet into the sales day book. The second book we have is the purchases day book. In this book you are going to record all the credit purchases. By credit purchases we mean that you have purchased something and you have not paid for it yet. You are going to pay after a while. So all those purchases for which you have to pay after a while or credit purchases are recorded into the purchases day book. Then the third book is return inwards book. In this we are going to record the sales return. What are the sales return and what are return inwards? Well, you have sold something to the customer. The customer is not satisfied with the product. He said that the goods are faulty, or there is some other reason he wants to return the goods back to you. So all those returns are known as return inwards, as the goods are coming inwards, and they are also called sales return, and all those sales returns are recorded into the return inwards book. Other than this, we have the return outwards book. In the return outward book, it's opposite to the return inwards, that when you are returning something to your supplier, like you have purchased something, for example, you have purchased a cell phone and then you are not satisfied with the cell phone. Now you're returning the cell phone back, or the cell phone is faulty, then it is known as return outwards, and you're going to record it into the purchases returns book. Then we have the cash book. In the cash book we record all cash transactions. By cash transactions we mean the transactions which are in the form of hot cash, where you're paying or receiving the cash, or the cash transactions are also which are by check, like you're giving the check or you're receiving the check on a transaction. You're going to record it in the cash book. Then the last book and the most important book is the journal or general journal. General journal is actually a book in which everything else is recorded, like everything else, by which we mean that anything which is not recorded in the other four books. In the other books, the things which are not recorded are recorded into the general journal. General journal is very important because it follows the main double entry concept, and the double entry concept is based upon that, and double entry is the backbone for your accounting. So that is it. We have discussed that what are the day books, we have discussed that what are the types of it, and we are going to make another video regarding each of this book, in which we are going to explain that what are these books and how are the things going to record, what is the format of these. So till then, that's it. I want you to ask any question in the comment box. If you like the video, if you like it, share it, and that it will help many students. You can ask me questions on my WhatsApp, you can ask me the questions on my channel in the comment box. You're welcome to ask the questions. So till then, Allah Hafiz, just take care of yourself. We'll be uploading more fruitful videos for O and A level students. So till then, Allah Hafiz, and take care of yourself.